So today I'm taking a building down. It's basically 2x4 framing, OSB sheeting on it, and vinyl siding. With asphalt shingles on the top. But yeah, so that's what I'm doing today. I'm tearing this building down and I'm just going to salvage all the lumber inside it. There's where the ceiling's kind of rotten. And there's a bunch of junk in here. Somebody's been living in here with their newspapers and hanging out. But there's lots of good lumber here. What is there? 30 here? Maybe more, 40. Anyways, carry on here. And I'll save all the siding. It's the same siding I have on my tiny home, so I won't have to use that other siding. I'll be able to use this stuff. There's some nice long 12-foot lengths, so that's great. Okay, I think that car's got to go. That car's in the way. Or is it? Let's see. If I drive straight through, it might just drag right by the car. It might just drag by the car. So maybe we'll try that. There, once I got it squashed down, the roof was the only thing. I just lifted it up on one end across the main beam across there. And then lifted the arms up and skidded it out. See my nice skid marks in the parking lot here. And then I took to it with the sledgehammer. And she just fell apart like easy. There we go, one trailer load of building. I got the siding, the sheeting, and all the 2x4s from the building on the trailer. A little bit of debris in the parking lot here. Got to sweep up. I don't see any nails, so I'm good till I get a broom. And then there's just a broken sheet there I'm going to pick up. And all this crap right here I'm just going to throw in the trailer and clean up, take it to the dump. Some truss arches here too. I wonder if I could put them on Kijiji or on Marketplace for $5 a piece.